Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can get a lot of candy corn fast and grow a garden. So basically how you can get it is if you plant like bigger plants, I guess, and here you're going to try to get the Dark Sprien. That pet will basically help you mutate your plants and make them bigger, making it easier to submit to the Witch Cauldron. Once you have really big plants, you're just going to go to the Witch Cauldron and you're going to submit them. As you can see right now in the event area, there's not the witch because right now it is the dead tree and gravedigger, so I can't show you guys right now. But if you submit bigger plants as well as the bigger plants that have the spooky mutation, you can absolutely get more candy corn points for that. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.